Yo, yo, yo. Good morning, folks. Happy freaking Tuesday. Hopping back on here, another sesh with the lab as per usual. Hope we're all doing absolutely fantastic. How's everybody doing today? Good morning, Olivia, Justin. Oh, I meant choked on my water. Coke on your water? Yeah, I meant choked on my water. That's why I was coughing there for a sec. I got some sparkling water. Didn't kill the morning oatmeal. It was actually it was kind of a morning. It was yeah, actually was oatmeal. Fuck, you got me red-handed, bro. I was genuinely having morning oatmeal, or lunch oatmeal with a few other things. So we're at it though, folks. Good morning, everybody. How we all doing? Happy freaking Tuesday. Down 0.5 R at the moment. Sean, that's feasible though. That's comeback season. Osh, good morning. Anthony, what's up? Olivia, Justin, Chris, Sue, what's up? Trader007 and Q, Adarsh. Balaji, Frank, Cyber, what's up, guys? Good morning, folks. Already 50 of us. We're 9 minutes or basically a minute now into the stream. Good afternoon. What's up, Raymond? Lovely seeing you as well. Form to C2 PSP now. Likely just going to see NQ expand at 8 o'clock. Just going to be honest. Going to see NQ expand at 8 o'clock. So for me, pre 8 o'clock session, C3 right now, honestly, could be potentially game on maybe snagging us a little bit of a continuation sequence here on the 3 minute, perhaps. I'm less keen on it, but we could do a 3 minute continuation if we wanted. Watch for a 3 minute retrace into the fair value gap here and trace for a signature higher if we want, especially because we have that relevant draw, which is the 7 o'clock high. 8 o'clock always does this as well. 8 o'clock swept out, or actually 8 o'clock hasn't swept out, but we see a 7 o'clock swept out that range, the 7 o'clock range here, and now we're making our way higher. So it's feasible. So you hit the bong one more time. Dude, why there no info on your IG about the stream should be, in my opinion. Adam, I'll get it on there. Just because I'm just selective with what I'm putting on there. Morning, what's up, Sarah? Justin, 900s. Yeah, 900s are inbound, dude. 900s are definitely inbound. If we can see a 3 minute retrace as well. Gold, on the other hand, here is seeing some decent legs higher as well, making our way quite aggressively, actually. C3, I don't believe too much in this C3 on the 5 minutes, 3 minute structure as well, heading higher. YM absolutely boning as well. Was there news at 7 o'clock today, everybody? What happened at 7 today? Or was it just a 7 o'clock open? Sarah, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Awesome Toast, also known as Awesome Bread on YouTube. Dude, I'm feeling a little Iran news. Ah, of course, classic. Was watching this R1 FEG, but I guess think you had different plans. Yeah, right? Unfortunato here. I'm honestly just looking. I don't even know if I'm comfortable trading this higher just for the fact that look at this higher time frame profile on the 30. Indecision, indecision, indecision. Not even a manipulation of the lows, even though we formed a PSP with an SMT. I don't know if I like this. I'll see how we play out after this 3 minute. Like if we see a 3 minute retracement and then validate this with the long sequence, then I could be interested in wanting to take this for higher prices. But are you in UK? Yes, I'm in UK. I'm in UK, literally on the farm, dude. It's fantastic, bro. Best thing ever. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Pakistan commented on the US and Iran talks shaping up favor of peace. All right, fair enough. They're good. Dude, I don't know how people are still reacting to this news, but I'm so desensitized to this news, though. Like the most useless news ever now. Not a single 15-minute C3 continuation form today so far. Yeah, I know. It's been a rougher one. It has been a bit of a rougher one. The only one we could, if you wanted to account for this, which I wouldn't, This micro 15-minute gap that became a failed inversion, but that wouldn't even be a C2. So yeah, no 15-minute structure here. It's slow. It's gonna be probably a slow 8 o'clock again. We do have some news, I believe, at 10 o'clock. No. Yeah, we do. At 10 o'clock, we have existing home sales at 10, high impact. So I honestly have no idea what to expect in terms of news data, how that's going to play out. But for myself, I'm just looking for higher prices on NQ. Only bias for me lies is looking for higher prices. I really don't want anything else except higher prices on NQ. I think we could definitely buy lower to sell or sell lower to buy higher. I like turtles. What's up, Dre? You like turtles? Hell yeah. You guys saw my turtle on my gram? Got any animals on the farm, dude? So it's my girlfriend's farm. It's electric, bro. Let me show you this chat. Let's see if you guys can see this. Let me see if I can show you this. Look at this, guys. Morning trade on London. Yeah, I got you. This morning, guys, we had the horse. Beautiful, Fergal. And then I went hunting for the missing tortoise. Took the missing tortoise for a stroll. Legend. Queenie the cat. Leonie signals today, JC, but you about to piss my ass off, bro. I'm joking. That's Cecil on the Cecil on the look at that. That's what you guys get. Low cortisol turtle. Dude, you guys know it, man. Yo, what's up, Bothridge? All right, we're good. We'll get back on the charts. London trade this morning. Pretty simple, man. C2, we formed a precision swing point as well on the C2. Once we formed that PSP and the C2, all we did was just take a leg higher here for 1.5R. We formed this and a PSP. PSP at the lows here in the 15 gave us all the structure we needed to look for higher prices. So that's all we did. We just looked for higher prices, grabbed a candle for basically a candle for continuation for 1.5 and called it wraps. That was it. C2 manipulation, C2 and a PSP, scout for higher prices. Higher prices were met, took a 1.5. Once we took 1.5, this larger 3-minute gap here ended up holding quite well, which led to an invalidation of our active trade. And so hence why we actually ended up doing 1.5, but 1.5 played out and immediately reversed on us to our stop. That was literally the sauce from today. It was fantastic. All I'm doing is just trading continuations after manipulation occurs. There's really nothing fancy to it, guys. Yeah, Anthony, I used the 1 minute 15, 3 minute 30. I used whatever gives me the cleanest picture. 1 minute was clearly getting chased by 3 minute stops, so I decided instead of trading the 1 minute, I was going to trade the 3 minute since 3 minute gave me higher probability of success in the trade. So that's all we do. That's literally all we have to do, guys. You guys are overcomplicating it with these crazy concepts I've never heard of in my life. You got to realize that markets look for the time frame that's the most presentable, trade the presentable time frame, move on to the next. There's really not much else to it, man. You don't got to overcomplicate it. Also, give me a sec. Usual protocol, folks. We're just gonna get the yeah, so I'll actually show you this. Look, so basically all we did here is we watched for the C2 manipulation to occur. Watch for the C2 manipulation to occur. We then took this entry here. Give me one sec. Here's what we did, chat. And I'll look at chat in just a sec. C2 manipulation occurred. We swept out a relevant low, formed a PSP precision swing point with ES and YM. C2 confirmed. End of the C2 was the 45. So 345 here. We see got the confirmation at 357, right at 4 o'clock, which is technically the C4. What happened? We saw an aggressive leg. Oh, yeah. Well, replay tool now doesn't want to play out, but ended up taking a entry here on this candlestick and took an exit all within it was literally a 3-minute trade. Like you couldn't make it up. It was a literal 3-minute trade. It was electric. And then it was great. That was literally it. There's not much else to it, guys. That was genuinely the trade. This was it. Just like this. That's all we did. Took a market order entry, limit order at the OB on this 3-minute gap. 3-minute gap filled. And we just literally took our entry there and that was it. Not much any special sauce. We just watched for higher prices. I take a 1.5R. I left a runner actually originally to potentially, hopefully see some confirmation higher into those relevant draws, but we ended up not getting confirmed. So my last runner actually got stopped out at break even. So that's the only difference. But all we did is we watched the manipulation, precision swing point formed, then we just trade the expansion higher. There's really nothing special to it, guys. That's all we do. And I've been doing that literally every single day with you guys now too, which is crazy. Also, looks like we're not going to get confirmation on this C3 signature higher, so not my market to get involved with now. Now we just wait. Sorry, let me check out chat now. I apologize. Nice. Had a family of deer rocking around in my backyard this morning. Hell yeah, MC. There we go. Farm life, best life. Dude, you know it, man. You're using 3 minute 30. Okay, I'm now using indicator as well. Sweet. 1 minute OB. I haven't even checked the 1 minute OB. Yeah, micro 1 minute OB, but no C2. See? No C2, so I'm not keen on trading this. I want to see a C2 structure. No C2, no C3 trade. Look at 1 minute OB. Yeah, I see it, but yeah, I wouldn't be interested in it. No C2 formed. So no C2, and I also don't think we have SMT with ES. Yeah, no active SMT with ES either. So I'm not interested in taking this. I see it, but I want to see a C2 form. She is electric. How do you decide if you use the limit at 60? If we close relatively close to a OB, most of the time you'll see market tap back quickly to tap the OB and continue higher. But let's say we close 30, 40 points above. Most of the time I'll just watch for it to retrace into the 0.5 of the previous, 1 minute, 3 minute, or 15 minute candle. And then I'll DCA like, 3 to 10, 15 micros on the retracement leg and then run it for 1.5 R. When there are stacked fair value gaps, which ones do you look for retrace back into? Most recent, most of the time, Shannon. Most recent. Most recent becomes the highest probability for myself. It's also what's worked the best. But let's say you see an inversion form on it, then it wasn't a strong imbalance. So then you'll look for the next one below that one. And if market is just ripping through those or having a falling knife through, you know that market isn't presentable for higher prices. That's it. That's the sauce. That's actually the sauce. Yeah, this structure here was great on this C4 leg here because we had that beautiful confirmation. 4 hour structure as well. No SMT on the 4 hour, but it was a micro trade. It wasn't anything insane, but took it live, which was pretty dope. Also, give me about 2 seconds here, guys. I'm getting the trade sync set. Promise I'll get to all of your questions here momentarily. Just give me a second here. Thanks, mate. Yeah, of course. Of course, of course. Just get my password in here. Nobody docs me. I just gotta get this baby set up in stone here. Can I see the lights flashing? They say that I'm coming home. All right, here we go. Just all right. Now we're good. All right, I have your full attention now, chat. My apologies. I get logged in there. We're good now. How's the back today? Back's doing all right, dude. Hanging. Managed to a little gym, which was good. It's doing a lot better. Still like slightly buggy from time to time, but it's I've been slamming lots of. Bro, so focused when connecting the accounts. Brad, I'm not trying to have it fuck up, Stretching. Yeah, I'm stretching, doing all the necessary recovery for it. Also, what the fuck was that about? Yeah, I ain't trading 8 o'clock. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. What the fuck was that? Was this more news? Yeah, what the fuck was that? What the fuck? Look at this. Just made back that 40. Yeah, I mean, not crazy, but within a few seconds there. Stacked FEGs. Guys, do we trade the continuation off this little C3? Closure confirmation back above. We trade the C3. I think I'm gonna wait till 9 o'clock. What the fuck was that? What do you do when you get a C2 and a C2 below? What do you mean? Like a double C2? I'm confused what you mean. Somebody got cooked. Yeah, somebody was in those longs, by the way. I mean, I'm glad no retracement, no entry, but we got the retrace. Now, do we trade it? It was market maker love. Yeah, sorry guys. I accidentally put in a sell limit with 7,000 minis. I might have become a market maker. US firing on a ship in the strait, bro. It's so stupid, man. I'm like, at this point, just get a grip. Just stop throwing missiles, man. Give a good firm hand. A firm handshake does a lot of good. You know that? I say that, and I'm fucking. They're gonna send me to war, dude. If I say that. 300 points stop. Yeah, look at this. Y'all, I ain't trading 8 o'clock. Oh hell no. I'll see you guys at 9 o'clock. If you don't want to be here, I'll see you guys at 9. But you will not catch me doing this bullshit. If I see the lights flashing, do they say that I'm coming home? Boop, 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 boop. Dude, what is this, dude? Yeah, fucking. I guess we're gonna get invalidation. What is that? Yeah, of course the U.S. is firing on a ship, right? Of course they are. Does that surprise me? No. Look at this. We had a strength switch SMT as well, invalidated within 2 minutes off of this firing at a ship. Fired a ship, fired this. Why don't you fire your bad employees and get a grip on market? You know what I'm saying? Stupid ass motherfuckers, bro. I'm kidding, chat. I'm getting my Blue Guardians connected because we managed to build a little buffer on them during New York session. So we're golden. Give me just a second here, guys. But ask me any questions as well. I know I'm kind of being MIA right now, but your boy's got things to do, man. And why would I want to trade this PA? Come on, come on, come on. Day trading, hashtag trading, hashtag futures, hashtag profits, hashtag lists. Oh yeah, by Steve Lacy, baby. Come on, come on, come on. I'm gonna play that song. Pump SpaceX. What's SpaceX at pre-market right now? Holy shit, dude. My DCA's cooked. My DCA's cooked. Those 1080 DCAs. Look at that. I got filled at 105 flat. Not 105 flat. Was it 105 flat? No, I got filled at, it was 107 and then 1086. I haven't even checked my port with SpaceX, dog, but good shit. C2 is confirmed in the hour one and it holds. You can trade the 5-minute Sisti right now. Like, I understand it. I understand it, but I'm not interested in it. I'm not interested, especially that it held, but it just confirmed off of bearish news. I'm a technical trader. I'm not a fundamental. $85 million Bitcoin short with 40x leverage was opened minutes before the shooting news. Damn, has to be in setting trading. Oh, 100%, dude. If you were a beginner today, what would you do differently? Literally trade 1 to 2 micros and fixate on the process. Find one model that actually works. Don't give a shit about the profits. Buy an eval account so you can get free live trading data because in some cases it's cheaper and gives you real experience with the chance of getting a payout and genuinely slam process. Jason, I don't want to trade bearish news for confirmation on a change in state of delivery that's not high quality for me. Oh, come on. Does that make sense though, Jason? Dude, an $85 million, what'd Bitcoin do here off that? Bitcoin just, yeah, look at that. Holy shit, dude. That motherfuckers are 40x leverage. Can somebody do the math on how much profit that would be? Do you have a TradingView subscription? I do have a TradingView subscription. Yeah, I do. I pay for live data. It's like $6 a month for live data off TradingView or something like that. I don't even know. I just have it auto renewal. Yeah, so I see it though, Chase. If you want to, go for it. But like, it's just I know my limits, and I know it's not something that brings me probability in trading. And so I'm not interested in trading it. Come on, come on, come on. Wait for Black Friday as well. Jesus, what the fuck just happened? Motherfucking US is shooting at a ship in the strait. That's it. That's literally it. Back to the gulag we go, dude. RC just gotta hang out, bro. That's all I'm gonna do now, just hang out. Dude, what am I supposed to do here? Nada. I got nothing to do here, boys. I'm bullish, dude, right? Save my mental capital, bro. There's some buns. If that EQ holds, we'll just see a rerun back up to 7 o'clock highs. Yeah, it does want to go higher. We know that. If Bears wanted to step in, they would have sent this already below the 7:30 lows, 7 o'clock lows. Don't say yes to the mom, everything I need is when I send out over. There's the 8:30 open now. If we're gonna see lower prices, we're gonna see lower prices. But look at this, we're still within 7 o'clock's range, so I just have no interest in wanting to trade that. How you doing, big dog? Kaz, your thoughts on Top Step 250K? Dude, I think I'm gonna get 2 of them. I'm gonna blow 2 of my 50Ks so I can get some 250Ks. Dude, yeah, I think they're electric, bro. The fact you can load on 5 of them is diabolical. I think it's worth it, but if you can't hold a 50K account alive, why the fuck you spending $500 on an eval? You ain't gonna pass, you know? Just saying. They're gonna be permanent as well, right? Is your bitch when I bend it over, Coca-Cola. Yo. Where do I? Yeah, I'm trying to see where I buy them though. About your fucking pothole. Yeah, this is shit, yeah. Want to see some sell side taken? Yeah, I want to sell lower to buy higher. Because I think we're locked in 2 of them yesterday. Oh, sweet, Shannon. Yeah, $500, it's steep, but guys, like, come on, man, you know? Is it just on the normal top step? Because I heard about, I haven't even checked the top, I haven't logged in a sec. Where do I get, these, John? Start a trading it's in the Top Step lab. I forgot to access that Top Step lab. Right? Isn't it in labs? Oh, lab. Check the current drop. Let's see. Yeah, those 250Ks. Oh, I see them. Yeah, okay, we're good. I got them. Dude, $25,000 payout cap, 10K loss limit. What's the minimum? You have to have it. Oh, that's the one thing though. to get a payout on the 250K, you need at least 5 days of a $5,000 winning trading days, which is pretty solid. That means every 5 days, technically, you could secure 25 Top Step Labs. Yeah. You use financial juice? I do. During London, I was looking for TTFM4 at 15-minute OB entry, but no OB entry before target hit. Yeah. I looked at 15 originally as well, but I ended up sticking with 3 minutes because I gave him the cleanest picture. I want to see some sell side taken before higher. I'm the same as you, Kaz. Sell lower to buy higher today. Naz still wants to play catch up to those all-time highs, so it's definitely inbound. What I'm looking for as well. Bill is online. Google it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna grab two or so. Because it's pretty nuts. The only thing that I don't like is if I wanted to copy trade them, I'm gonna trade higher size on 100 on a 250K account, but I can't change the ratio, you know? So that's the only issue I have with it. So I think the fact that I'm interested in buying a 250K account means that I just need to grow a pair of bigger balls and start slamming on more size on my personal. That's my hot take, guys. But if I'm really here contemplating, fuck, I should really be trading this. I think I just gotta quit being a bitch and just trade crazy high size. Profit target on the 250 is 15,000, which is really solid. RC, didn't you grab them? I could have sworn I thought I saw on your Twitter. Yeah, there's nothing to do here. We're watching till 9 o'clock, guys. Save the mental sanity. You can do multipliers on accounts and copying. On Top Step, you can, though? I don't think you can. Well, on multipliers and like TradeSyncer and stuff, but if you're using Top Step, you're gonna have to use Top Step X. Unless you did connect it to TradeSyncer, but I just trade them through Top Step X. Yo, everyone, what's up? Picasso Trades, how we doing, brother? Boom, 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 boom. ADP work market. Oh, hell yeah. One sec. That's fucking fuego. Give me just a sec, guys. Chat, I have a random question for you guys. If you could start a business in any sector, genuinely any sector, if there's something you could start, what would you do? I really want to know what you guys would do. Yeah, there's nothing here. Well, we might even just see higher prices. Yikes. Cheese shop, fire, recycling, guns, drugs, sell cement, feet picks. Y'all fucking weird. You guys are weird. I don't want to be on this stream anymore. Y'all some weird. Juno, you a weird motherfucker, bro. I'm joking. I'm gonna keep my eye on Juno. Dude, I've already peeped that camera roll, man. He's got toes and they ain't his own, let me tell you. Engineers and dog, that's the first, that and the cheese shop are the two only legit responses, bro. I can give you a free sample. What type of pics do you guys are fucking so weird, bro. You guys gotta realize when I tell people what my full-time job is, I say I trade full-time and that I'm a streamer I trade live on stream. Any motherfucker that came into my streams listening to me read out foot picks and what picks type of dude, I would be getting slandered. I would not survive the hate, bro. It'd be nuts. Get 2 for 1, bro. Juno, actually wait. Scratch what I said. I'm in on that. Tell them the truth. I do, dog. Full-time trading with streaming. If they're gonna hop in, they're gonna be entertained. Also, guys, we're 110 subs off, 5K on the lab. So repost it on your Instagram story. Send it to your sneaky link. Tell your sneaky link to lock in, bro. I know y'all. Some of you are out here with a sneaky link, and they're just not locked in on markets. You gotta get your sneaky link locked in, bro. Send them the lab live, bro. Trust me, they won't regret it. If she's ever like, I need a Chanel bag, just send her the lab live stream. We'll teach her how to make money to get a Chanel bag for herself. Save you the money. Did Juno actually show his feet in London? What's up, Arun? What's up? Long time, brother. How we doing? Tomorrow, Juno hops on bare feet on desk. Real. Dipped in whip. I thought y'all were being serious for a second. Tomorrow, instead of my face cam, it's feet cam. Could you imagine, Juno, you're executing with your big toes? Buy, sell with his big toes, bro. I'm gonna stop getting out of hand. Yeah, I'm locked back in. Guys, the only thing is, I just have nothing to trade here. Look, what am I supposed to do here? Nothing. We're gonna invalidate the C2, of course. I'm telling you, you don't want to trade a C2 that's news oriented. My toes in the keyboard. Could you imagine, bro? I genuinely think that'd be so funny, bro. I would love to see that. How funny would that be, dog? I would love to see that. Oh my God. Also, is it me or is it really hard to get in? Sometimes I legit cannot find my Top Step brokerage dashboard, and it's so frustrating. Boom, 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 boom. Love what? Say what? Yeah, there's nothing here for me, guys. I love you guys a ton, but dude, there's nothing here. So I know you guys are hopping on. We got a bunch of you, anticipating me to take a trade right now. It's not happening. I'm waiting for 9 o'clock. Ideally, I'd still like to see us swipe out the 7 o'clock low and just see a run higher, but at this point, we just got to be careful, cautious and careful. Lots of views, dude. 100%. Could you imagine clip farming that? Like the stream if you haven't already, by the way, guys. I want us. I really think this stream with Kane. I want to see us over 100 likes. What's crazy is when Kane and I hop on, we're like at 220, 250 viewers and like 40 likes on the stream. It's kind of depressing, bro. Don't make me depressed. Yeah, we're gonna see a run back up to these 818 highs. So I'm just watching for that right now. All right, 1 second. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna hit a quick wire. I'm quickly getting a little wire out here from my personal account. Just give me a sec. I forgot to do a wire last Friday, so I'm gonna transfer out some moolah. Give me just a sec, boys. Trust. Got a nice little wire coming my way. We already swept 7 a.m. lows. No, we didn't. On 9Q? No, we didn't. 7 a.m. lows right here. We didn't sweep 7 a.m. yet. We swept 7 a.m. lows are 739, bro. At PT this morning, kill the market for me. Oh shit, Alex. Good luck at PT, brother. We'll kill it. Right now it's freaking buns, but we'll get on it. Dude, we gotta put Juno on some cuffs, bro. Get his ass out of these fucking whatchamacallit. Goddamn feet pics. At 7:39. Yeah, well 7:39 swept out this 7 o'clock open news data lows, but this is now the new because it's still within the 7 a.m. window. So that's not the 7, that's not like of the hourly candle, this is still the 7 o'clock low in this hourly, is what I'm saying. Alex, good luck at PT though, brother. On 1 minute, but that don't count. Yeah, fair. I see your point. Strength with SMT2, we're running away from that, but yeah. Gold, I'm looking for higher prices today. NASDAQ, I'm looking for higher prices today. It's going to be hard for me to framework anything other than that. Just being honest. Give me half a second here, guys. I'm just taking out a quick transfer from my personal account so I can reset the balance so I know exactly what we're doing this week. Have to get my number here for this wire and we're golden. Alex, what are you getting PT for, by the way? What is PT physical therapy? All right, there we go. Boom. Sorry guys, there's just no trading, so just give me a sec here whilst I just get this filled out, all right? And then we'll have to do this 6 2 1 4 3. All right. Almost ready, boys. Just give me a sec. Leo, who taught you to trade? Dog, I learned how to trade back in 2019. YouTube videos, Investopedia, the whole shebang, dog. The whole shebang. I didn't have one defined mentor. I literally went all around the place. Just being honest with you. All right. Dum, 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 dum. All right, and should be good any moment here. Boom. Sweet. Wire is sent. Dude, fuck yeah. Okay. All right, account is set now. We're golden, boys. Sorry about that. Just had to get a quick wire out. Because the thing is, I'm trying to really fixate on building my personal. I've been talking to a few of my buddies that trade large, like high cap on personal. And one of the biggest things I'm trying to do right now is see if I can really grow that personal capital, like a lot. So at the end of every week now, rather than transferring out 100% of the profits on it, I'm doing like an 80% transfer out and leaving 20% to keep scaling it up like aggressively. Guys, also, I have a random question. Who here in chat has read Atomic Habits? Personal right now, so full transparency. In the past 3 weeks, I brought it from 50 to about 100 and 117, but I transferred it back down to 50 because I don't need more than that. Excellent book. Yeah, I did. I have mate currently reading it. Guys, I can't stress it enough. I've read that book now. I just finished rereading it again. Something about that book clicks with me on, just resonates with me on another level. Atomic Habits, it's great. And I've read it a bunch, so I know I sound like a fanboy right now. But you have to realize, guys, everything you're doing in life is a result of compounded effort. Those of you who know me, I literally kiss talk the idea of compounding gains, compounding consistency and trading on a daily basis. The reality is, though, that's what's going to lead to success in markets. It's going to lead to success in every way of your life. And the craziest thing, which people forget about, because compounding has a very positive connotation, right? Compounding gains, compounding net worth, compounding income, compounding habits. The thing is, a lot of you forget to realize that compounding also has negative attributes, right? You can compound negative habits, you can compound negative emotions, right? Which I know everybody knows, but it's like to put that in perspective more, a lot of you just forget that that's a true reality of general habits, right? And so when it comes to trading, like, could I have seen this data candle and known that price was going to move higher and have gambled? Yes, but here's the thing. If I made money on this trade, even though I'd feel good about seeing that green, I've now built, and if I continue to do this, I'm building an atomic habit. I'm building a negative habit, making my brain feel that as though gambling trades and getting lucky is a way of finding consistency. And so a lot of you that are trading without a defined system, without defining risk, and just kind of being degenerates about trading, you're building habits that are about 50 times harder to break versus if you just take a step back, fix it on the process, build a model, define your risk, and limit how much you are trading. Those are small, consistent efforts. So $50, $100 days might not feel like a lot right now, but you wait next year, those $50, $100 days with consistent compounded gains become $300 to $500 days. And even for some people, thousand or multi $1,000 days. Leo in the house. What's up, Tris? Last pouch, and I'm moving out from my last pouch. I'm moving out to leaving bad habits in the past. Dude, hell yeah. Smoking cigarettes for me is bad. What do you mean last pouch? Are you smoking cigarettes right now? In 2 weeks? Hey, consistent. Build the good habits, boys. Trist, how's it going, brother? Yeah, dude. Dude, yeah. Yeah, quit that. Quit that. I know it's tempting, bro, but yeah, quit that. You realize that money you'd be spending on cigarettes if you were to compound that 8% annual? Had my biggest week on personal last week. One camp personal to reach. That's insane, dog. Good stuff. Just remember what compounding the cost of cigarettes is for poor people. I I just can't say anything. I can't say anything to that, bro. I just gotta laugh. It's funny as hell. But dog, a drunk ciggy don't count, right? A drunk ciggy don't count, bro. Drunk ciggies don't count, bro. Guys, look at this. Buns. We're still within 7 o'clock's range. I want to see low 7 o'clock swept out, then look for higher prices. That's it. That's all I need to see, baby. Pour. All right, guys, I can't lie. We're also fully set up and ready to rumble. We are ready to rumble. All accounts are connected. We got the Blue Guardians back. 22. Hell no, they don't. Sigs are bad. Better to have good at. Hell no, they don't. Hell no, they don't. What? What's up, Tris? Sigs are buns, bro. Hella buns, man. Smoke. I know. No, I just you know what? I can't even comment on it because I'm European, dog. Like everybody I know smokes. I was more talking. I was more talking about financial habits. You know, y'all do whatever you want to. I'm not one to judge ever, dog. Could say the same thing about me running fucking 60, 80 miles a week, bro. My poor hips. Every part of my body's just deteriorating faster than y'all ciggy smokers, dog. You don't smoke, surely? What do you mean, Matrix? You think I smoke? I won't say I haven't. I definitely have, yeah. But I used to get drug tested all the time, in general. So I never, then it's okay. Kev Juno smokes, that's okay. Less smokes, longs that open, bro. Real. No, I used to get drug tests all the time for racing. So I wouldn't, and also just for general cardiovascular health, dude. I couldn't, bro. Especially when I'm doing 60 to 80 mile run weeks. It ain't possible. Smokes profit targets. That's what I like. At least that's what I said. Dude, I've been absolutely grinding. I can't lie, pre-market, 8 o'clock, boys. A little bit of music. Get the fucking vibes in the system. Holy shit. Feeling like a demon, dude. You just fucking lock in. I got some. Who do I have on right now? Dude, I got Ricky Rez, Benadryl by Ricky Rez on right now, and I'm fucking just oof, 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 oof. You think on these wired headphones I'm not bumping, dude? I'm bumping. Easy Joel, what's up, dude? How's it going? Yo, yo, what's up, Easy Joel? How's it going, brother? I did no motion. At least that's what I said. Just gotta watch now. Watch and wait, baby. Sit still and look pretty. Good, brother. How about you? Dude, we're hanging, man. Having a good time here. No trades at 8 o'clock. We're just within 7 o'clock's range, so it's a very low probability. So I'm gonna wait till 9 o'clock, see if we can frame something pre-open. If not, then guess what we're doing? We're waiting for post 9:30. And if not 9:30, I'm waiting for 10. That's literally it. Yesterday. Dude, there's some just yeah, get some good tunes though. You just feel like a demon, man. Learn about it. No motion. Ali says what I say. 140 in the chat. Dude, holy cow. Range high looks juicy. Tris, that's what I'm looking at. I listened to Sinead O'Connor when trading. Chill. Oh, sweet. Addictive habits are viewed the same way. It doesn't matter if it's drugs, alcohol, or trading. I hate to admit. No, Nate, dude, you're absolutely correct. But that's the thing is you're absolutely correct right now. Because that is the reality of it. All habits are going to compound, good, bad, whatever it might be, right? At least that's what I said. All right. Mm. I listen to 2000 hertz on repeat. Is that like the focus ones? Because I 438 is pretty good as well. 438 hertz, pretty fire, bro. Tell me about it. Wow, there's nothing, man. 916 is that actually? If you guys are being serious, that's rad. It's actually like listening to hertz. At least is what I said. There's nothing here. I think it's about 800. I just give it all just naughty bitch. Hey, real scope. Best French rap, bro. Oof, but I can send you my playlist, dog. I had a fire playlist. Yeah, oh my God, this is some buns, chat. Now we just wait. Sorry that we haven't taken any trades, guys, but we're just kind of watching and waiting here. I'll play your opinion. Yes, dude. Jude Manu. Yes, dude. Hourly Sisty bullish. Yeah. Yep, 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 yep. If it does get closure confirmation here at the 9 o'clock open, yeah. I was telling you guys I want higher prices. I still think we're gonna see sell lower to buy higher. I think today profile. This is what I'm looking for. I want the lows, 7 o'clock lows to be swept out. 7 o'clock lows swept out. Look for a long signature into the highs. I don't want it any other way, man. Or freeze Cardeon. Yes, dude. We got some got some knowledgeable people in here, man. That makes me happy. People are gonna start LARPing 5K ticks on nano contracts. I know. I was making that joke, Tris. I'm like, what if I could just LARP nanos of having 600 contracts, pretend I'm saying minis? Kalash Krim. Kalashnikov. Kalashnikov. I'm a baby. Hey. Dude, I know. Just started LARPing 600 micros. Yeah, this is, yeah. All right, guys, 9 o'clock open, about 30 seconds here. I'm just watching for 9 o'clock because how am I supposed to trade this? I'm not. I'm really not. Job, by the way, we are back on the gym grind, back on creatine, and we're slamming on some size finally. Little bit by little bit. SDM Cartier Santos. Even the 1 hour can't close. Hot garbage. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm waiting for the open, man. Telmo, I did a creatine loading for a week. I did 20 grams a day for a week. Now I've deloaded. I'm doing 5 to 10 grams a day. More like 7.5 to be honest. Love the gym grind. Yeah, dude. We're fine. We're building though, boys. Past month about 3.5 pounds. We're getting to it, man. Can't lie, we're feeling kind of diced. Feeling kind of diced. I won't be doing a physique reveal though, Chad. I'm sorry. No physique reveal, but we're feeling diced. All right, 9 o'clock opening. Open high. Yikes. Well, now we just gotta wait, man. Farmer strength, dude. Dude, carrying like 7 bags of chicken feed. Never felt the benefit. Never felt the benefit from creatine. Real. Guys, also, if you haven't already, by the way, make sure you guys are like and subscribe to the stream of 147 of us. So make sure you guys like the stream. Kane's gonna be hopping on shortly as well. So make sure you guys, you know, show some love, like the stream. I want to see us over 100 likes. We got 40 already. We're an hour in, so let's see some fucking likes here, you absolute baboons. I know 8 o'clock was shit. Doesn't mean you can't like the stream though. I'm still good stuff. Yo, yo, yo.
Good afternoon. How
Good
are you
afternoon.
doing?
Good. Are you, boss man?
Yeah, good. Good actually.
Dude, the green glasses are actually sick. I'm looking at them up close now. Dude, those are fire.
You like them?
Yeah, those are sick. Also, I saw that drip. I saw that drip. I peeped that in the corner, that corner of the zoom. I peeped it.
I'm gonna have to move my microphone up with my right hand now.
Oh no, you're good, dude. You're good.
Yeah.
No sweat.
Hilarious. Hilarious. Hilarious.
Bikini the
Let me bring on the live chat. Hilarious.
I peeped into the corner. I was like, 9 o'clock immediately opening higher here, guys. I mean, I think it'd be nice to see sell lower to buy higher. I can't lie. There's some juicy looking highs, man.
I was in the cells from earlier. The screen you're seeing right now. I was in these cells from earlier. I got out of them when we basically just opened here at 9 because we didn't create this. There's no swing here, and actually, I mean, same thing. I was in the trade on the anticipation that we were going to go down and grab a low, this low, and now you probably don't do that. So does that. So I'm out of it. I'm out of that shit.
Yada da she.
I'm trying to just get I'm trying to make 6K on these Lucid accounts ASAP Rocky. The balance on them right now is 152,574. We just need like 3.5K on them. And then yeah. We made 30K rough. Oh, I can't remember the exact amount. I think it was 30K on the live account yesterday and the
Oof.
Apex live account yesterday. Um Actually the boys in the PFC, we were on call fixing some shit, and I was showing them. So that was nice.
Dude was chefing it up.
Yeah, I mean, we really want that IB low. If it was IB low kind of day, it was like a 50, 60K banger, but we just couldn't fucking get there. So yeah. I think ultimately for here, I'm probably looking at like a hourly low to hourly high and then short play. Oh yeah, so funny. My background on my MacBook is a photo of Lake Tahoe.
No way.
And yeah, just a random one, like it's just one that the MacBook puts for you. So we were joking. I was like, boys, if this trade hits, we'll go to the location in the background and recreate the photo. So that, a bit of a laugh. And Alex looks it up and he goes, "Oh yeah, it's Lake Tahoe."
Ha!
I was like, "What the fuck is Lake Tahoe on
Lake
its
too.
own?" So anyway, so I looked it up, and I didn't even look it up. I knew straight away what he meant. I was like, "Do you mean Lake Tahoe?"
It's funny, so I'm from there, dude. It's all Lake Tahoe.
Lake Tahoe, yeah. It's just so it fucking
My
had me in
gosh.
stitches.
Do you have to go to Lake Tahoe now because the trade hit or no?
No, it didn't hit. We didn't hit the IB
Oh,
low
oh, the IB
until
low. That's the
after
one you were
the.
posting on Twitter. Yeah, I saw that. That was shit. Wasn't the
Yeah, it was
probability of that
gross.
hitting as well like over 70% or something like that for the IB low?
I don't know, but like honestly, the
Crazy,
only
bro.
reason I cared about it was because it was a 4 hour low.
Yeah. I think when I saw the statistics, it was like 70 to 70 or it's ranges, but like 70, 76% for us to hit that and it just ran from it.
Yeah.
Unfortunate. That's ridiculous.
All I
I,
know is I need. Wait a minute. My consistency on my MyFunded Futures accounts is 30%, but we didn't pass it yesterday. What the fuck? Chat,
oh gosh, dude. It's not a
open
me
the consistency calculator, rapid, 50K, and in my daily P&L. Okay, here we go. 1,100, 1,000. These little fuckers. I'm gonna say it to Matt Leach right now, like, upgrade my shit, bitch.
That's my shit. That's my
1190.7.
if we hit 1,000 likes on the stream, I'll do a live stream from fucking the North Pole, bro. Imagine.
Okay, so my consistency yesterday is 29.8%. Someone fucking make that make sense.
You can't, is there anything on the top, even if it doesn't show, can you do the instant upgrade button on the top right?
No,
Because
it says it doesn't.
oh, what? That's so fucking stupid. Yeah, it should have done after hours. It's almost with my phone, it's almost an instant update. So that's weird that it didn't show up. It's buns.
It literally says 29.8%.
Oh my God.
Motherfuckers. Anyway, I need to a quick little scalp on these today. Probably just pass them to, I don't know,
Make
micro
like
scalping.
40 bucks on them.
I
Yeah.
doubt it. I doubt it's micro scalping. I don't know. My camera's so shit and it's pissing me off. It's actually like really winding me up.
That's lagging.
Yeah, it's just Zoom cannot cope with with my size of my monitor. So actually, I think I just need to change that quickly.
Mm.
Give me a second, guys. Um, Displays. Uh, I have this fucking 4K monitor and have to run it in 1080p because Zoom is a piece of shit. Did that speed me up? Look at that, clean as a fucking whistle now.
The cardboard cutout, bro.
Right, literally though, like actually, chat. The camera's fixed, right? Yeah, it's actually just like why I can listen. My fucking my Mac Studio, that thing could run fucking anything, but can Zoom can't be like, oh, let's use more than one core. Fucking donut, absolute donut.
My poor brother, bro.
Anyway, at least we know it's back.
Holy buns, guys. Yeah, I'm waiting for the 9:30 open here. Nada for me until the 9:30, guys. Can't lie. I would love to see Solar to buy higher though.
Hey Zeus, you want to chill out then, my boy, all right? We got we don't do that around here.
Claude, make market be reliable. Claude. Dude, I've been trading on the Blue Guardians. Pretty solid. We're 2 days out from the payout. Pretty solid accounts, dude. I can't lie. The starters.
I just think they're gonna have to like retroactively change some rules right now.
Yeah.
That's how I feel about it, you know?
Hmm.
So not trying to like push them down anyone's throat until like I think that they're a bit more sustainable.
Hmm. It's fair.
Yeah. But full transparency, if you're one of these people that can afford for them to run the increase the rate, fucking hell, increase the price of them shortly, then yeah. The looky man loves to see Kane coming. That is not very nice of you.
Sloan said next payout, I'm getting a Breitling for sure. How many payouts have you had, Sloan? I gotta realize taxes. Taxes on them payouts. No. Dude, I heard a story of some guy that like made like 70K in payouts, spent every penny, forgot to save for taxes, dropped out of his job because he wanted to pursue trading full time and just got destroyed by taxes after. People forget about it. It's like they think it's non-taxable income. Boys, Breitling is a business cost. Real. It's gonna get you better trades, dude. Sign it off. The Breitlings are cool though. What Breitling were you thinking of? Which is better, CFD or futures? Futures. Taxes, never heard of them. Oh boy. Not gonna lie, if you buy your Breitling, might as well just not buy a watch and get some flowers. Wow. Depends on what bright. I don't have any Breitlings, but I can't lie. I think there's one model I think is okay. I honestly think if you're gonna get a Breitling, you might as well get a Tag Heuer. Like I think a Tag Heuer will bring you more. I don't know. If you're paying that amount of money for a Breitling, Unless you're getting one like the vintage leather strap Breitlings with like the tan dials, I'd go for a tag Hewer personally. Hewer, sorry. Hublot the best? Oh boy. I don't know if I should be talking washes to you guys. Y'all gonna get me pressed. Holy shit. Keep market right now. NASDAQ. Nice little 912 reaction. What are they doing? They're just shooting down another ship in the strait. Fucking ridiculous market, dog. How do you read the lot sizes in futures? Monkey, I'll give you some really good advice here. Ready? So, all love to you, by the way. I'm gonna mess with you here. Google.com/futures contracts. All you need to know. Investopedia. Click the first site. Read about it. That's it. Omega, love Omega. Love Omega. I think Omega's great.
Good luck, Tristo. Nice YouTube username.
Letitris. I'm just saying, like, Tudor, love Tudor. Original, I mean, it's the movement within Rolex. Original movement makers for Rolex, too. So I think for starter, very good.
Oh, yeah, good watch.
Yeah.
Anyway, time to take this one off. I only worked because I went to the tailor's today. And,
dude, fresh, by the way. When was that pickup?
I had this a while now.
Have you?
I mean, when you were last here, I had it.
Oh, shit. Fucking clean, dude.
Actually, the clasp was burnt, but it just got fixed.
Oh, I think that's what you were telling me. Yeah. Dude, the set I saw you in the background on Zoom, you're just like getting, and I'm like, oh, shit, dude. Fresh.
Kane's
Fresh, the
LARPing.
Greek one.
Yeah, I'm not laughing. Yeah.
Kane's just LARPing, bro.
Yeah. Yep.
Vacheron Constantine, dude.
Bro,
Fantastic.
actually, you know something? The Vacheron, they have a diamond set overseas.
Yeah,
A gem set one.
Holy
Bro,
shit.
this shit in the green
Wait, I haven't
is
seen this.
fucking gas, bro.
Wait, Vacheron overseas diamond set?
Gem set green. Like, search that. Bro, I saw
Oh, shit.
Yeah, you see it?
Oh, shit. Wait, it's actually hella clean. Damn. Holy cow. You're talking about the open dial, right? Where you can see the movement?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's brand new, actually.
Yeah,
that came out recently. But that shit's like a.
Yeah.
I think that's a fucking holy grail pickup.
Yeah, that's a nuts. The overseas perpetual calendar. Oh my god.
Okay, we took out that hourly low. I'm actually kind of looking forward to some longs. To be honest.
Yeah. I want to run 7. It'd be cool to run some 7 o'clock lows as well. Double whammy it. Well, that's a good question. What do you think of the Top Step 250Ks that came out?
I think they're gas, but like the thing is you fail. They're expensive. They're made like the only way that they make sense is if you're a good trader. They're fucking expensive, but they're meant for. You know, the ROI there is not as high considering the cost, and because of that, you just naturally have to have a lot of money to go into the red and then come out of it. That's it.
Also, the fact that it's five $1,000 days for payouts and stuff too, so people that aren't used to size or used to trade like 25Ks gonna freak them out. The same as a reset fee for a funded, so it's like you choose. Yeah, we're already running away from these 8 o'clock lows here.
Oh,
decent.
Fuck! They actually did that like that.
On the 1 minute, we're about to confirm a C2 here on this closure. 30 seconds to the C2 closure. So I'll be watching this for potential. I'll maybe watch for a New York AM session. Watch the new 15-minute open there and see if we can trade something higher. But highs at 8 o'clock highs look good. 7 o'clock highs look great as well. We've got quite a few draws. I'd be interested in. That's a C2 forming here. Just rejecting off the EQ a bit, but I think we're likely going to see that confirm. $5,000 days is tough. Yeah, I mean, if you're not used to size, yeah, it's fucking difficult, man. 100%. How are you guys doing? Good, Mank. How are you? Yeah, that's a C2 confirmation here on there goes a C2. Morning, what's up, NQ body? 10K drawdown, kind of nuts. Yeah, it's nuts, but you gotta realize if you can't even fucking keep a 25K account alive, why you ain't gonna keep a 10K drawdown alive? I don't care what you say.
Well, you might. It's going to take you a lot fucking longer to get through it.
Yeah, much longer. Got the C2 forming here. Confirmation above the 60 now after 8 o'clock low sweep. Likely we'll see 930 run higher here.
Yeah.
Uh,
I think I'm a. Oh, wait, I couldn't do that because I'm not got the account. I need to just scalp some, like an up move here on my end of day rapids. I think I'm going to do it off this low right here. Just very small move I'm going for from 827.5.
Rejection from monthly open, yeah. So Leo's chart lagging. No, guys, I'm just going between trade evade, and then also just trade synchro and stuff. Making try every other thing. I'm getting my personal ratio set as well for today. Probably do 3x. The mountains move.
Okay. Okay, I'm in here on my personal right now. I'm in 5 contracts on this trade. I'm literally just logging into paper because I'm not paying the $10. So to trade evade. And they took it away from me. So I'm not paying for it. This is the trade. If we get into it, there you go. This will activate now.
Nice.
It's paper right now. I'm just basically playing like the 1 hour sweep to the 1 hour high, which also will give us a new 4 hour high. I'll go break even probably at a new high from here because I wouldn't want to see it pull back. But outside of that, that's the trade so far. Feels really hectic having this in the middle when I have no space. So I just need to change that.
Yeah, nothing from me here, by the way, guys. I'm just kind of waiting. Like we'll just wait till the 9:30, see if we'll probably run higher into 7 o'clock highs and stuff. I'm just gonna be watching.
Yeah.
You'll never lie. I do like this. I do like to run away from 8 o'clock.
I think I'm gonna get out of my end of day rapids here because actually I was kind of I was just gonna play these to the 840 high just up here. Just so that I can make sure that I can hit any consistency rule. But I actually don't want to see this trade turn into a loser, so I'm probably just gonna flatten here and look to carry on. I'm on my fundeds. I took this on the lucid flexes and the on my two personal accounts, my Apex and my personal. So I'm in five on both, so I'm in 10 total. And then I'm in three on the Lucid Flexes. I'm just trying to get the Lucid Flexes to 6K profit so I can take a 3K payout on both, on all five accounts. That's literally all I'm trying to do.
Yeah, nothing from me here yet, chat. Waiting.
And really, all I want to see here for me is before the open, is we're trading above 850s, really. If we're trading above 850s before the open in 7 minutes, I'll stay in this trade. If not, I'll flatten and we'll reassess after the open. Or play an open range continuation trade to the upside. Something like that. We'll see, we'll see. But like yesterday, boys, remember what we said, right? Monday, that like day of doing nothing in the middle, like we're just sitting around. And then today we come online, we swing out the low, right? This dash line is the daily low. Right, so we swing out the low, we retest the low, and then we trade away from it. So for me, I'm looking to take longs practically all day today. I'm I'm looking to long away from that daily low. You know, we get a 4 hour low, great, but these 4 hour highs, they're not triggering short biases for me today. Hourly lows into new 4 hour highs. I think naturally we'd look back at if we trade up here today, naturally we'd look back and be like, yeah, this was a really nice area to get long. And so that's for me, that's it, trade higher today and we'll see what happens. But the clean setup might happen at the open and I might just have to buy the box, as Nick would say. I might just have to buy the nice orange box on our screens and buy the opening range.
Yes, sir. Yeah, and I'm hands off right now. Just for me waiting for 9:30, guys. GC is forming C2. ES two-stage previews stay high. Your bias today looking for longs. Ideally looking for longs today. What we see? GC forming C2. Yeah, forming. Yeah, I mean, not my favorite. I mean, look at GC's profile right now. C2 this, C2's that. I mean, it's literally just a wide range consolidation. Kind of buns, if you ask me. Shit.
Absolutely disgusting that ES is trading way higher and NQ is not.
Yeah. Three minutes to the New York Open.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna get out of these, like unless we get like some monstrous move in the next 30 seconds that takes us way, way higher. I'm really not interested in this trade. It's just this is an area that I didn't want to be stuck in, so I'm flattening here.
Yeah, about 2 minutes to New York Open as well. Effigy on the 15-minute. Talking about this lower
Just
fairway,
flattening on
the
everything.
15.
Other than this paper trade, obviously. I mean, they're just not buying it here. I mean, we'll see how it plays out. Ideally for me now, it's like we take this low again, and then we can play. This reaction is fucking gross from them, actually.
2 minutes till the open here.
Absolute fucking pissheads. That's what they are.
Yeah,
We-
it's fucking buns, dude.
Oh, I just
Just as you take it out and then buy side sticks up.
yeah, my Zoom actually died, so I had to come back.
Oh shit.
But yeah, that's sad. We got those 850. Well, the 850s are trading now, but we just it's just it just happened way too close to the open for me. So I would be break even here, irrespective, and I would not be looking to take this trade on the open.
30 seconds till the open here, guys.
Yo, my Zoom is absolutely having a panic attack. Just
Oh
keeps
shit.
closing.
Not too good. These longs don't look bad though. Yeah, but I do think we're just gonna see NQ just rip higher. Sadly, chat.
I'm gonna keep my chart off for a second. I don't know if
Fucking
you want
A.
to just show Leo's chart because
Yeah, no.
I don't want to have to keep going in and out of Zoom. I'm just gonna update from what it is. So yeah, so like now this is actually looking pretty good for us now.
Yes.
I'm interested in this low. I'm interested in probably buying somewhere around here.
Crazy. There's a 7 a.m. low. I wanted those 7 a.m. lows as well.
Yeah.
Not too shabby.
Wouldn't mind a bit lower on ES as well.
Holy cow, man. All right, bit of a sell here. Fucking A. Nothing like a beautiful 60.1 minute. Chat already, I can read this open, and for me, it's looking like I'll probably be waiting for 45 here. If I'm looking for longs, I need to see confirmation all the way back above 839 for my model. So tough luck, but we'll just wait and see here what happens.
Yeah, you need some what's it called, right?
Yeah.
Some I mean this is
Holy shit.
I mean it's like a really good spot, but there's no context around here. You can't just get long off of a
I
naked low,
know.
you know? So it's like
That's exactly my point.
it's hard. It's actually really hard.
I think we might actually, if we can flip this 1 minute though, this would not be too shabby. Yeah, not much for me to do here, guys. Gotta be honest. Not much.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just can't go long off that at all. All right, now
Well,
we sit and we wait for me, guys. Can't lie.
yeah, agreed. So my funded futures, you can update intraday now or not?
To funded?
Yeah.
Yeah. You just click upgrade now. Once it loads up your profit, and it'll instantly let you upgrade it.
Okay, sweet. Yeah, I see that now.
Yeah, and
Um,
Q going a little too low for me, guys. Is it working for you now? It's not. It's pretty instantaneous. It'll instantly give you activation as well.
yeah.
Yeah, I just have not much to do off this, guys. Just being honest. It's NQ's heading quite low here, and if I really wanted to see something, I need to see a C2 form. But as of right now, it's 3 minutes of just straight bearish candles. That'll be 4 minutes of it. So if I want to see or 5 minutes actually, I'd have to see confirmation back above the 843s, unless we see some resweep and bullish retrace to reframe a C2. Holy shit. Yeah, it looks like we might be now we're about to inverse this 6:15 15-minute gap as well, depending on how this plays. So we might be making a run back to London session lows, guys. We're actually making our way to London lows now. Cheers. Or
Yeah, I got these three end of day rapids past, which is
nice,
nice.
sweet, good stuff.
So now I just need how much on them? 4.5K plus whatever to make.
Yeah, for the buffers or which
Yeah.
yeah. Should be 4.5 on the 150s. Looks like NQ's just making a run here to London session lows, so not much to do here, chat, except wait. Massive 1 minute here.
My screen got stuck. Yeah, I know. I'm not sharing my screen right now. Can you take my screen off? It's literally not being shared. Yeah. I don't know why, but it every time I share my screen, my Zoom crashes. So I'm actually just not sharing it right now. So
918 lows. There goes London session lows swept out here as well. So could be potentially looking for longs off this. Maybe I'm too ambitious trying to look for longs at this level, but I'm still keen on it. My God, we're just ripping through everything.
yeah, I mean it's zero. No one's released. But
Nothing.
to be honest, 4 hour low, daily low. Like actually, like for me, this is just like I wish I was able to long down here earlier. Now I'm giving it. The reality is that it's just context, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Like how we got here is important. Um
Mm-hmm.
It's only 5 minute low. I mean, it's just
Yeah, guys, there's nothing from me here. Not even gonna apologize, boys. Just ain't nothing to it.
look at this. This any buying is just met with immediate
Yeah.
selling. So they either buy here or it's gonna probably go to this daily low. And
It seems like
actually,
yeah.
that's pretty bearish. Actually, I probably wouldn't want to long off of that. Because we probably have to venture below that, and then you know. So I think these 700 spots pretty good for longs if we can get there. It's looking like it. 726. I'm probably interested in longs here. 726.50s. Yeah, I'm in.
Honestly, if we can see closure back above 735 here, this is gonna be a C2 off of London session lows. So that could be kind of a good watch here for potential longs off that back. Maybe see a V-shaped recovery back into the 930. But if we reject off this, yeah, I do agree. I think we're just gonna see the daily low. But ambition, we'll see what happens here, guys. I'm hands off as of right now. There's really nothing for me to frame here.
I took small longs 29,726.5. Um, but yeah, it's just it's like a good area to be right. Um, and if we're wrong, then it just probably keeps going lower, and it's probably like it's a conditional trade. Like, nah, we tried. Now we just have to wait. Yeah, I'm out.
Holy shit, dude. This is just ripping lower, right? I'm deactivating a few of the fundeds here from the trade sinker. I just don't feel like I want to trade this right now with all of them, so I'm gonna branch them out a bit.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Keep my risk limited. Wow.
Gonna go make new lows on the day.
Yeah, impressive. Just run into. Yeah, also looking at those Monday 8 o'clock lows there. Monday lows actually. Yeah. Yeah, 8 o'clock lows. Would not be surprised here, dude. Fucking A. Crazy chat. Yeah, guys, nothing from here. Handsome team we got streaming today. Love you, Dre's. Kisses, bro.
Okay, so we're going to Lake Tahoe. If you know, a Tahoe. I don't know what it was. Can't remember that one. They're still defending these 700s.
I
They just look
know.
below one more time. So like
Yeah,
I'm not like fully against it right now.
I want to see London
Um,
session lows, dude. I want to see us break back above 722. Here's the C2. Give me something to work with here. ES formed equal lows as well at 774.75. Don't like that, but could see higher prices on NQ off this. This is the only place for me I feel comfortable throwing longs. If we make it from Monday 8 o'clock lows there, I'm likely just, or 8 p.m. lows, likely just going to fade the long entirely here. But I think if we can close up above the C2, see us expand into the 945, I could trade a C3 945 back up into the 930.
so I think
That's
I'd take this 30 seconds again. It was just if we get there. Hmm.
I do like the tap back on that OB though, or the Sisti. It's not too shabby. Nice reject off that. That's a C2 forming here. I think that's also SMT with YM. Yeah, it's SMT with YM as well at these lows. I do like that, guys. Okay, I'm gonna probably watch to trade the 945 higher. If we can hold this, reject off the 700, and we're also just tap back into Sisti. If we see a bit of an expansion higher here, 945 looks decently clear for a long back up into the 930 highs. I do like this. More so.
Yeah, chat. I'm gonna lie. My computer just seems to be having a fucking panic attack today. Everything is just killing my Zoom. I don't know what's
Mm.
going on. I'm having to just shut everything down. No.
All right, I want to see this. I want to see these 700s hold above this 60 and look for 945 continuations. If this doesn't hold, I'm likely just fading the longs entirely. This is my last kind of jab. If not, I'm just gonna wait till 10 o'clock. Retap back into 60 here. We're seeing YM expand higher. YM formed a C2 and it still doesn't even open up in C3, but we just confirmed kind of a continuation within C2. So looks decent here. Hopefully we can see NQ continue this expansion. Asia lows is good deal all for reversals. Yeah, fair. 1 minute inversion fair value. I don't pay attention too much to this, but yeah.
Yeah, good play though.
Yeah, that's a good play.
736.
Why I'm tapping back into that OB that formed off that imbalance. I'm marking this out. I'm not in this, but if you guys want to C2, it'd be just catching the continuation of that C2 expansion on YM. So I got a 1.5. I'm just mapping that out for you folks. I'd likely just use the 941 low. Manage my risk.
Oh shit, you know something I've been forgetting about? Like TPT accounts. They need fucking trading day.
Ah, shit.
Shit indeed.
Ah, shit. Yeah, there goes YM. Yeah, YM actually, it's just catching the C2 expansion pre 945. If 945 might just open up and rocketeer higher on YM here. Decent leg. I don't like NQ's reaction here below this 60 where you're struggling to get higher. Not even rejecting off a 3 minute imbalance. Holy tit whiz, dude. Really want to see this change in state hold.
Look, I
Gold
think
absolute. What's up? Sorry.
I was just about to say like they have been really defending the 700s right now.
Yeah, quite well.
So it's the only thing that's really left even keeping me bullish is these 700s. Yeah.
Now 45 open here. New 15-minute open. It's already tagged. Really, I want these 700s to hold, and I want to see us just. I want to see decent expansion. There goes the 945 on YM. Like I told you guys, likely going to open up and just immediately tag out 1.5. Exactly what's happening. Just catching a. Holy cow. NQ, here's some hot buns on this too. Looks like 700s might not hold.
Yeah. It's looking pretty
Yeah.
fucking bad.
Yeah. These might not hold.
I think they're probably just gonna look below on this again and probably just take out this day. Wow. Jesus.
Fucking nuts, dude.
That slipped me quite a lot of money, chat. I'm not gonna lie. I have no idea why the fuck that filled me so fucking far away, but that's almost 50 points of slippage for me.
Holy
That's
shit.
a fucking ton.
Just hate as well that we didn't even get a manipulation out of the 15-minute high here. 930 just didn't fucking take out jack shit, so I can't even frame a C3 or anything here. Some pits from you guys. Holy damn, 50 points. Yeah, right? Holy cow.
Yeah, holy fucking cow, indeed. Yeah. That is not nice. That's a lot of money. Yeah. I think I'm gonna call that right there, to be honest. Anything I do from here is probably just not gonna be worth it for me. I'm gonna just take that and fucking move on with my life because that is fucking gross.
Fucking dog shit. GC slowly heading higher off the 945. NQ here just invalidating long signatures for me. Now it goes up. Watch. Yeah, imagine. Fucking stupid. See, there goes 1.5R on YM, as I mentioned, you guys. Honestly, probably should have taken YM here. Just clear bullish expansion off that as well. Tagged into massive 1 minute imbalance. Immediately closed above that OB. Strong buy side. That would have been a much better trade to take than fucking NQBS here.
Jeez. 5K DLO is nice. Yeah. I mean, you're not so bad, right? For like, I think you're more comfortable trading some size on it. I think a lot of people are just naturally going to get scared of that shit.
Mm.
And I think they know that. Chat, I'm just going to forewarn everyone. Computer issues combined with probably a pretty large loss that I probably don't really want to. I don't really want to try and trade out of. Mainly down to slippage. I'm gonna call it when Leo dips today
Yep.
because I'm just yeah. I can tell I'm behind, and anything I do today is just gonna hurt even more, in my opinion. So I think I'm just gonna.
A much tougher read today on market. I really don't like this at all. Computer, give Kane a break. I agree, bro. Some shit. Shit.
No, it's all right, bro. I'm not stressed. Like it's just
Yeah.
I was just speaking to Minuteman. I'm not stressed about it. It's like I understand that that's part of the game. Getting slipped 50 points on a pretty large trade on my personal. I don't really want to. I mean, I get my Apex account took a 6K loss. My actual personal took a much larger loss. So I'm not that interested in it. My my flexes, they're like now three from being 1K up, they're now 3K in the red. So like, yeah, I don't know. Just it's not a day that I'm gonna do well on, you know.
Yeah, that's so fair. Plus NQ's kind of doing fuck all now too. Yeah, I'm honestly gonna dip here soon because I literally can't frame anything here, guys. Genuinely can't frame anything. We didn't form a C2 at the highs here. We didn't even get a manipulation at the 9:30. Swept out 7 o'clock lows, wanted longs off London low. Now we're just fucking 50 points below, 70 points below London lows. Like, there's really not a lot of stuff for me to work with here. So it's more reason for me to just not get involved in market and instead just call it wraps and save myself the mental sanity. There's really not much else to it, guys.
Well,
I
I was in NQ, and it legit just died like 40 some 49 points, and my stop loss was literally at the low, so it quite literally gapped through, and I got filled at the extreme.
Jesus, dude.
Yeah,
That's fucking stupid.
I mean, I understand it's the thing, but I didn't expect it fucking 50-point fucking instant move. Otherwise, I'd be downsizing. I thought, I'd get out of it relatively good, but nah, not today.
Yeah, not worth the mental sanity, dude. Hey guys, I can't lie. I'm honestly just gonna hop off here because we could chop around here. We could head lower. YM's heading higher. There's such lack of correlation. It's not. There's really no reason for me to get involved here. I'd rather just preserve my capital. ES heading lower alongside in Q here. There's just I really have no reason myself to get involved. Nothing that's enticing for me here. So I'd rather just fucking call it a day, boys. Can't lie.
I'll share my screen, but if like it kicks me out and stuff, you just have to
Yeah,
bear with me, boys. But I'll stick around for a bit longer.
yeah. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna hop off myself here. Um, just took one trade London. That's it for me today. Not up crazy as well, so I'm just likely gonna call it here, guys. But I'll see you guys, I believe, tomorrow for New York game again. Kane's gonna hop, stay on here, guys. But best of luck, everybody. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later, later. See you, Kane. Ciao, ciao,
All right, see you later, bro.
everybody.
Yeah, chat. I'll stick around and just I'll chat it up with you guys, but there's gonna be no trading. I'm I'm not gonna what's it called? I'm not gonna try and chase myself out of a hole that I didn't create. So yeah. I would have been happy with the loss, but I'm not happy with the loss, times three. How about we watch my table? I actually don't think you're allowed to stream it, by the way, like that to the public. But yeah, we got this 1 minute here. I don't hate it, but I definitely do not love it. And I think yeah, it's just market's looking a bit shitty today. Some people will love it, some people hate it. I had a really good day in the market yesterday. I'm not trying to push it too much. Took an unnecessarily lost early doors, and that's it. That's like a mental journal to myself right there. Good day in the market yesterday. Naturally, I'm going to try and push the boat today. We size up. We get slip 50 points. All of our prop accounts are now in major drawdown. Seems like a fat L of a day. Seems like a slow grind now. Oh, we have 10 a.m. in a few minutes. 6 minutes. Question is, can we get above 10 a.m.? Okay, so like we have two questions to ourselves, right? Are we getting back up here? And are we getting back up here before 10 a.m. for me? Probably not. So then most likely is that we want to wait and then do something like this and play some sort of 10 a.m. trade thereafter. So it's actually just nothing for us here other than 10 a.m. And the only thing really keeping me bullish is the fact that we're below a daily low, and we're bullish off of this swing anyway. So yeah. That's where I'm at. And it's probably gonna be a go again tomorrow type of move. I'll wait for a bullish engulfing 15. If not, won't touch it. Yeah, that makes sense. Everyone's just got to wait for their own things, right? All I know is more or less all of my prop accounts are shot. I took a large loss on my personal. My Apex account is the only account that really come out unscathed. Fuck knows how. But the rest just kind of got whacked on that slippage there. Well, it wasn't sized for it. So kind of caught me off a little bit. No risk, no worry. Yeah, true. But I'm happy to compete for the Rari tomorrow, not today, where a lot of people aren't even going to ever compete for the Rari because they blow up intraday, you know? Anyway, time to buy some how do you reset after a loss like that and not feel like revenge trading? Just honestly, like for me, most of it's time, right? Yeah, most of it's time. No discipline, no Rari. Yeah, exactly. The only thing we really can do is purchase more more lucid 50, 150Ks because they are pretty toast actually, I think. We were up 1K on them yesterday. Let's have a look. Anyone else long to previous day high? Yeah, we were trying. Let's have a look here. What's the balance on them? No, 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 I'm not. No, no, I'm not YOLOing them. Like 10 a.m. is right here, so the only thing we can do is prepare because yeah, I mean, I can't trade them right now. So fucking dumb that this happened, by the way. Got liquidated literally on that low. And when I say liquidated, I mean I could revenge trade this on my personal. It's just absolutely it's cooked. The what's it called? The 15 minute and the 4 hour look great. The hourly, not so great. So for me, naturally either way, I'm probably never gonna touch it. You know? Just score here, what happened? Oh no, I was sized pretty heavily for that low and then it liquidated 40 points. Are they still for sale, those 250Ks? I don't think they are. I think they already got pulled out. Would I recommend moving out if living with your parents is stressful? No. No, I wouldn't. I'd stay with them for as long as possible. Um, but yeah, no, the the two annoying things right now are um the fucking the 50K My Fun of Future Rapid accounts are fucking toast. First trade instantly. And then yeah, that sucks. And then the last one is I just have to re-up the Lucid Flexes. The personal account loss, I can stomach. The Apex stuff, I can stomach. I just don't want to revenge trade today. Because I could sit here and fucking smack about my personal account, but the likelihood is I'm gonna get beat up. No, oh, it's trader again. Where I can have taken both sides of liquidity, so you can destroy day. Only makes sense in reverse, Dean. If it makes only makes sense in reverse, then what good is that information to you? Good morning, Nicholas. It's definitely a morning. I don't know about good. I took a really silly loss on a 50 point candle for no reason. That wasn't nice. My Fun of Future's new checkout sucks actual dick, by the way. Fading the OR. Yeah, but we kind of were in those 700 ranges for long enough for me. So yeah. And I mean the other side of the trade now played. It's just dumb. It's just dumb that I got fucking literally filled at the extreme. I mean, anyone with a decent amount of order flow knowledge, go down here and check what fucking happened. You'll see you'll see some absolute fucking loser getting filled here, sell stopped. That fucking loser is me. Oh, monster absorption. Oh, it's crazy, Nick. It's crazy. You're not a loser. No, I mean boys. I'm saying it in good spirits, to be honest. I think it's two. I think it's 250. I don't know. Alex can answer. It's just yeah. Ah, bro, I've also done that though. Don't worry about it, CFJ. I've also fumbled the ridiculous fucking payouts, the payout numbers. And your lawn has died. That's actually the fucking worst news ever, isn't it? That's actually the worst. Man, my Lucid Flexes. So my Lucid Flexes have $1,200 left of drawdown. That sounds cooked. And they hit DLL. It's 962 contracts filled at the sell side. Well, a good like maybe like 60 of them were me. Okay. We have the My Fun of Futures accounts, but the challenge is back. I'm not gonna buy the 150k flex accounts. Hopefully we can bring them back. The flexes from Funded Next, they're gone. And I actually don't have any more purchase limit with them. So yeah, so the only thing that we can really stick around for is getting a 1k trade on 2 minis or 3 min or sorry, not 2 minis, on 1 mini on my Funded Futures accounts. The end of day rapid ones to get them back over. That's it. That's all I can do. ES back at the OR. What I have my eyes on right now is this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Peak autism. Do you like that tweet? That tweet's gonna go down in the age books. It's true though, by the way. What he's doing is actually peak autism, not peak life. Yeah, I mean, if we close below, if we get a good closure below here, then I'll probably take this one. If not, I'm just gonna sit out and do fuck all today, chat. Took a 20-60 cons kind of flex to get targeted like that. It's definitely not a targeted thing. I mean, it's definitely, it's just a listen. All you have to understand is it's just a stop run. Like it's just the thing that I advocate to do. You know, Like I advocate to wait for that sort of thing, wait for a bunch of people to feel a lot of pain, and then that's it. I actually got flipped. I got slipped on my live. My Apex prop live actually only took a 4K loss, and actually, if I work out, I was risking about 4K on it. So if I work out like my Apex one definitely didn't get slipped because that's what I was risking. My live account, I was risking like 7K, and I 18K additional loss. So it's like risking seven. Yeah, just whatever. Muted. Is it not working? Oh, don't know. Okay, it's my computer, boys. I have to fucking turn this shit off and do something with it. It's pissing me off. So yeah. So I took like a fucking unnecessary loss. I was risking like 20-ish points, 60 contracts, times five. That's how much it was. 20 points. We're about 6K. And I got slipped for 50. Yeah. It's like a 3x loss. You're almost homeless, so it can't be bad. Well, I'm really sorry to hear that if that is true. But yeah. No, I got slipped for 18K. 6K plus the 18. It was about 24K, 25K loss. But I was risking seven. So and we made 30 yesterday. So we made 30 yesterday and got slipped 24. It's not a nice feeling, you know? So I can just give up everything and fucking yeah. No thanks. I use NinjaTrader. It's not a NinjaTrader issue though. Remember that. That's just the fact. It's not a NinjaTrader issue. It's what it is. That's a market thing. Yeah. It's just a market thing. It's just a thing that like sometimes you have to like if you're gonna trade, sometimes you just have to fucking suck it up and accept that sometimes you're gonna get filled at the extreme and sometimes you're not. And that's that. And you have to hope that sometimes you do not. But I wasn't sized for a fucking what's it called? A 50-point slip. Nothing really, Damien. That's line. I just realized I'm not even in the fucking camera shot today. I'm interested in a short here. I know that sounds fucked considering the hourly closed the way it did, but I am. The 4 hour closed the way it did, but I am. Um, yeah. We could be aggressive with it and 7-7-7-5 it. Spoo's acting like a child. Yeah, something's happening with it. But this is eval money now. We're just trying to repass these My Fun and Futures accounts. We get a closure below 775. I'm a sell one. And it will literally just be one. There you go. I'm gonna sell 775. Hopefully we get filled. If not, and it runs without us, great. Okay, so I'm filled 775 here. I'm in one contract right now, and the trade is basically back to 10 a.m. That's what it's currently looking like. We'll see. It's an aggressive trade. I like the high right now, and if we go much higher, I'm like completely tuned out of shorts. So yeah, 732.25. We'll see. I'm in literally one contract chat. The risk is $350, and there's probably another trade in the max loss limit from the thing. You'll get emailed it, Cyberval. What did you redeem? You're welcome. Oh, I actually have some Apex accounts to give away. Who wants them? Okay. I will. You don't? Okay, no worries. Hmm. Nah, I'm just using it here for now. All right, we can do the last three with the giveaway bot that we can test. We can test the new giveaway bot. That's it though. They're on the screen. There's three more, and that's it. Dre, set up the giveaway, and then we'll do it. Oh wait, fuck that. Please do it here. They're on the screen. What's going on? That's it. Send you the accounts. Yeah, new 15-minute here, and look what happens. Basically, just immediately trading higher. We kind of wanted it to sell down, didn't sell down. That's it, really. There for any account, actually, but I don't want to tell people that. I think I'm gonna. We'll see. I'm actually gonna temporarily widen my stop to 29,811s. But it's on the basis that this fails, so it's here now, for now, literally for now. Because that's about $700. And really what I want to do here is I want to actually add. They just work for any account. What are these codes for? These codes are for chat. Who wants to tell him? If you tell him, it's more competition. Okay, I added. I'm in two now. I'm in two. Same entry, 775s. Stop is the same. My TP though is now currently the low. Okay, GG. Chat, I'm out there. That's it. $1,500. Just screenshot it so everyone doesn't think I'm bullshitting here for whatever reason. I'm just trying to repass these fucking funded, these MMFU fucking. Why does it never do what? Like, it actually never lets me paste them. So weird. I'm LARPing. I'm LARPing, Nick. Nicholas, let me LARP. Fuck, why is the image being pasted too large? Shut the fuck up. It's not. Okay, these are my executions. This should let me. There we go. These are my executions. We added here, which was right here, remember? We waited. We got in again, right here. And then we TP'd. And there was 2 contracts for $1,150. And that's the only positive thing we have from today. Okay, Jace, is the thing set up or not? I didn't take it my personal. That was just on the new the 3 accounts from My Fun of Futures that blew up on the first trade with that slippage because they were sized for a $600 loss and we got 3x loss, boys, just over 2K. So that was it. That's just unfortunate. Like shit like that can just wipe me out from a prop perspective. Those codes are gone. Trace, what's going on? Tell me. Okay. Chat. Listen very carefully, right? I'm putting a link in chat. Why is it not working? You go here, right? And for the next 13 minutes, all you have to do is log in, link your YouTube account, or write your YouTube account in and enter the keyword lab.live. That's the only keyword. The keyword is lab.live. This is the keyword. You need to connect your account first. You need to go to the link, connect your account, and then the giveaway is handled complete, like automatically. So you have to connect your account first. If you do not go there and then connect your account, it won't work. Cyberval, Drace, it's working for you guys. You'll see. If you don't see you later, Nicholas. Love you, brother. If you don't see your name in the participants list, it will not work. Yeah, good idea. I should probably just show you the link to the website on the screen. Yeah, good idea, Drace. Good idea. But that means I need to change my screen. Right? I'm gonna just do that actually. Let me change my screen. Okay. Did you see my screen, boys and girls? This is the web. This is it. You log in. All right. Just like everyone else. You go here, you type your channel. Yes, that's me. And then you go back to the live stream chat and you just type the words Lab Live. Or one word. And now if I refresh, oh, we can't see me on here. It takes a minute to update. All right. Well, maybe we should make that a little bit less, to be honest. It takes a minute to update. Just one word. The keyword is Lab Live. That's it. It's right here. This is it. This is the keyword. Yeah, I know. And now, if you refresh the screen, here I am. It's me, and I'm gonna win in 9 minutes. And as soon as this giveaway ends, the stream is over. That's it. Not the best trading day for me. So that's it. Yeah, thanks, Claude. Claude really hooked us up with that. What do you mean respectfully? What happened? My Twitter feed? Oh, this girl. Oh, Madison. Yeah, I'm not looking at that. I was actually more interested in Jesse's tweet. What's Leah saying? When one trade setup gets in the way of the others, yeah, the opening range. Sad. Anyway, I know you're a simple man, but that's embarrassing, actually, in my opinion. Anyway, we've got 8 minutes left. We only have 37 participants. Crazy work. Good odds. Good odds. Good odds. Yeah, I saw him as well. We'll see. Can't connect your account as it blocking the what website? What are you on about? You literally just have to type your username. That's it. You just type your username in the thing. Forty-three participants. How long left? Fuck off this Twitter page. 6 minutes. This was too long. Good luck, guys. Good luck, boys and girls. My favorite Apex account, the Legacy 250Ks. Listen, boys, I have a if an account has a payout cap, right? I have an undesirable amount. Like there's absolutely nothing on this planet that's gonna make me want a higher payout cap over anything else. I want the highest payout cap. So like, okay, the 350K is a bit excessive. The 300Ks from Apex are a bit excessive because like the actual drawdown to the profit target was like 3x. It was ridiculous, so it wasn't worth it. But the 250Ks, I thought were worth it. It gave me a really nice drawdown amount, and I was able to take out 3K every 10 days. That was it. That was glorious for me. 20 of those, 60K, bang. So yeah, that's why I opted for the 150K flexes on Lucid. 3K every 5 days, 5 of them, 15K. But yeah, fucking hell, bang. When I click my Google username to connect my YouTube account, but but you're doing the wrong thing. Go to the link. Here we go. We're gonna open up Google. We're gonna open up Google now, right? We're gonna open up Google Chrome. We're gonna go back and do the same thing, right? Actually, it won't work. Here, where it says your entry, there is literally a box. You just type your thing, your username. You don't connect it in the settings. You just type it here. The connection in the settings is broken. It won't work. Broke. You got 3 minutes. 3 minutes, and then we're giving them away. Pushing lower, pushing lower. Want another coffee in a chat session? I don't know, to be honest. Well, is it just hate doing this shit, right? I'm gonna be honest. Like I know like the content game is like a thing, but like I really have to be motivated to do it. And the only time I'm really motivated is when I'm pissed off at the industry. And I'm not really that pissed off at them right now. Oh. Yeah, that's the truth. And also the G-Wagon is just fucking loud. It's so fucking annoying to actually record a video in because it's actually just loud. It's annoying. And that's my daily driver right now. Okay. Would you mind going over your short entry? Um, you actually can just rewind it, bro. I kind of broke down why I wanted it. Um, Actually, even 10 a.m. traded. Yeah, I mean, you can just rewind it. I'm not in the. We didn't have a great day. I don't really want to go over it too much. Kind of just want to forget about it and move on. 20 seconds and that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. It's 55 There's 3 winners. That's it. It's good odds. Almost 1 in 10. Nah, it's not. It's like 1 in 20. Bad maths. Kane is bad at maths. Chat. 2, 1. Time's up. Join the winners. Arun, Justin, and Ziovic. That's it. Congrats. The winners are there. Justin, congrats. You guys will get the codes in your emails. That's absolutely nothing you need to do for us. That's it. Congratulations. Chat. Pretty boring session overall. Let's just look at it. We liquidated at the open. I tried to get long around here. Oh, wait, I'm looking at the wrong asset. We liquidated the open. Right? Tried to get long around here. We gapped down 50 points. Cost me 25K on my personal account. I basically wiped out my funded futures accounts and my funded next accounts, and then 3K of drawdown on my lucid accounts. Shit happens. The end. Don't want to sit here and pretend that we're gonna hide from that. We're just gonna restart. We took one additional trade on the My Funded Future new challenge accounts that we purchased for $149 each, and I think whatever discount is, the code lab gets you like 20%. So that's that. I'm not gonna reset my funded next accounts because I can't, and I'm not gonna eat into the allowance thing that you have. I don't know. We'll just wait for next month to trade those. We'll attempt the lucid accounts tomorrow. If not, then yeah. Then we'll go from there. And that's really it. I need to get my TPT accounts passed so we can start trading those. And yeah, that's it, chat. Pretty bang average day. It's real trading though. The liquidations like that happen. When I say liquidations, I mean 50-point gap downs. If we go to the tick chart, which I don't have. If we go to the 1 second chart, we will see right here, my stop's here. It ticks my stop and it gaps 43 points instantly. My stop gets triggered right here. It gets filled here. And that's it. That's that. There's nothing that can be done about it. That is trading, okay? So yeah. It is what it is. It's a market dynamic. It's a market tool. The end. Anyway, appreciate you all. See you all tomorrow. I'll be live on Ninja Live. The rest of the gang will be here. Tune in. And I will see you all Thursday. I'll be back here Thursday and Friday. We'll try and bring it back out. We had a good day yesterday. Kind of wiped out from today. But we moved. That's just trading. That's just fucking how it is. Appreciate you all. Much love.